the daily life of this city. Somebody got popped. Alright, about to pull up into the headquarters right now of Status Figure / Calistatus. I see some Hemis pulling up right now. I think they're a Hemi crew, but we'll see what happens. You know we can't pull up without making some noises. Let's check it. Ooh, baby, let's go. My cousin honked at me behind me, telling me to be quiet, but we always gotta pull up making noises. Alright, the show's about to get started. Let's go right now. This is what you get if you join the team. You get your own personal flag. That's what it looks like right there. You see it? I'm about to open this and see what it looks like.
Damn. Michael, show what's up.
You're in that park right here. Pretty cool. Use this as a bathroom.
Oh, look at that. Fresh.
Amazon. Dang, look at this Sub-Zero.
Damn.
Who's trying to get some attention here? We got a couple cars here. I guess we'll do a walk around on some of them later. But the Sub-Zero though, I think that's Sub-Zero. Sick. That one or this one? What do you think?
Dude, they sound nice.
Pretty clean. This one's pretty nice. Color combo is pretty sick. I like it. And I got the Raptor clothes. So you guys saw Sub-Zero right there. And check this one out. Who is this? I think this is Carnage. That's pretty sick. Raptor claw too. And then you got this. Then you got this. Oh shit, that's the one right here. We all know everybody came for this. This is all the Status people. If you want to join the team, follow my Instagram, follow the team down below. Drop in the comment in the description section. That's one of the boys' cars too. Oh, Gene. This is the boy right here. Down there, you stripped everything, huh? That's it. I know you were trying to get a new color. So this is how we banner people up.
Hey, don't show the bad one.
Oh, this is the bad one? I didn't know that, but it's all good. Nobody's gonna be thinking about that. This one has some shit on it, but I don't know what it is. Yo, check it, we got Pennywise now instead of Sub-Zero and Carnage. Got a couple other cars down here. I think this is all the Hemi Mopar shit. I'm not sure what these kind of cars are. Obviously they're muscles, but I'm not familiar with anything. It's pretty cool. Christmas, he's in the spirit. Got some green ones. Raptor Claw, that's notorious right there. Got the whole team down here. Let's go see what else we can find. So there's my cousin's Evo. Obviously right next to his Subi. This would be parking next to him, I think. I don't know. Misfortunes, I don't know who that is, but pretty nice Subi. I would change the wheels, but besides that, everything is pretty clean. Civics. Acura. Very nice. Pretty nice. I like Acuras. Another Subi. Then you got a Genesis. Then you got another G right here. Ooh, 2 Gs. Those are my babies. Misfortunes. Fortunes or fortunes, I don't know. But it's sick. I like it. Stock headlights. This looks like a stock housing headlight, but modified a little bit. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Mine's better. Just kidding. These are pretty nice wheels. I like those. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, this is my cousin's friend. I don't know who that is, but pretty low. Dang, look at this Mazda. $392 Scat Pack. I think that's what they're called. Oh no, that's my other boy too. Another G35. Pretty nice right here. Let me hear it, let me hear it. Step it, bro. He don't want to talk to me. Whatever. And then we got a 350 right here. All the V key boys showing up. Another 350 right here. Let's go. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is tight. This is pretty ill. I like these graphics. That's what you want, right? Kind of like that color. So that was the previous winner on the raffle. That's pretty nice. What do you think? Check it out. If you want to enter free raffle for a free wrap, it's not a free raffle, but it's a raffle on wrap, hit us up. I think it's pretty nice. I'm not sure what color it was before, but just look at it. Drop a comment. Hey bro, you already
Yeah, so how much was it?
Yes, you got this one.
I already did the ticket. So
I'll write you down.
and I give you the ticket.
Sick.